Fact, if you want peak performance out of your engine, it's got to be able to breathe. This baby's got a short, low-profile cast tube that will thrust the charge directly into the throttle body for maximum torque and horsepower. So go from light autumn breeze with your stock air cleaner to where did my shed go with the Screaming Eagle Performance Heavy Breather. But performance isn't all this thing brings to the table. Adds a aggressive performance look to any machine. It's gonna make you go fast and look great doing it. Come on down to Vreeland's Harley-Davidson in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania to pick up your heavy breather today.